Yeah, it's been motherfucking ages since I did a review. It's only because I'm really going like hard, hard right now. I'm just trying to get my month's worth, and then we'll get some backlog on the AI Code King. But we back at it. RPGGO chat with AI characters that integrate AI into your game and apps instantly.
Hi, welcome to another video. What you are seeing currently is the Stardew Valley game, but with a fully dynamic plot, and you can talk to characters via a chat platform, steering the game as you want by talking to the characters. This is a game mod that makes the game 100% dynamic, and it is fully powered by AI. But it's not just any AI platform that is making this possible. It's made possible by RPGGO. I recently covered RPGGO, but now there's a new Stardew Valley game mod that uses RPGGO's API and makes the game super dynamic. Today, I wanted to talk about it. So, if you don't know about RPGGO, it's an AI RPG platform that allows you to chat with multiple AI characters all in one place. It has a bunch of characters you can chat with here, and it doesn't have any kind of filters or anything like that either. You can just come here by clicking the link in the description and use it. Plus, it's fully free as well for chatting, while for image and voice features you'll need coins. It can also generate images right within the chat, and not just that, it can also generate audio, which allows you to have even more interactive chats. You can also create your own characters with it, give them exact character definitions and actions, and not just that. You can also add modules to your characters, which allows your characters to have a sort of context of a whole world and stuff like that,
So are we able to use it, or are we only able to chat with it?
which is also pretty great. Not just that, the major thing they have is the option to build role playing games with it. Yes,
Oh,
what you can do is build role playing games with a proper worldview, characters, story, levels, and everything that you'd want to make. It also has an AI co pilot.
yeah, you know what I was thinking about too? And this is just for anyone who may have a like mind like me. 3D JS is like so cool to use. If you use like an actual product and like make it, the end product is always amazing. My question was like, can you or would you like, would it be like dope to make a 3D JS game, just like a web app game? Like, we have those web app games. Let's say you don't have internet. You could play that dinosaur. I don't know how much people be that bored. I'll be bored. You could play that dinosaur game where you just hopping over the words or the cactuses or whatever the case may be till your internet come back on. What if we made a 3D JS version of that? You know what I'm saying? Or something immersive. IMVU, remember that? I don't know. Maybe it's just me, cause I don't know.
That allows you to just type in what you want, and it will build that. You can then play those games or publish them for others to play. Plus, it's not just limited to that either, because you can take these worlds and integrate them into your own applications. Yes, they have a proper API that allows you to connect these games or characters to your Discord server or even your custom games, which will make your games dynamic. That's what the Stardew Valley game mod uses. You can roleplay the games you like, with characters you like in the Stardew Valley. You can take these worlds and integrate them into anything or use them however you'd like, which is pretty great. It's a really great platform that allows you to make RPG games, characters, which is just awesome. So, make sure that you check them out through the link in the description and use it, and try out the new Stardew Valley mod as well. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, share your thoughts below and subscribe to the channel. You can also donate via Super.
I'm gonna lie. It was eh. It's like eh, man. I don't know how good it will be yet. I ain't gonna lie to you. And in gaming, I'm gonna say this now. Gaming is going to see a great year this year. So my gaming level of my gaming criteria going up exponentially since the last couple of years. So this is man. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. This was this RPG Go could have kept, like, you know what I mean? Like, could have kept it type shit. It wasn't that good. Thanks for the content. All right. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. My boy always bringing us the best content. I can't fault him for, RPG Go bringing out some trash. AI Code King, stay safe, my boy.